Do you want to unlock features like custom thumbnails, longer videos, and live streaming on your YouTube channel? It all starts with one simple step: verifying your account. So in this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to do it in under 3 minutes. Super easy and beginner friendly. So grab your phone or your laptop. Let's get started. First of all, you come to your YouTube studio. When you come to YouTube studio, look down here that shows this settings icon. Click on the settings icon. Once you click on the settings icon, come down to this place that says channel. When you come to channel, scroll over to feature eligibility. Once you come to feature eligibility, you're going to see standard features, intermediate features, and advanced features. So you have to click on number 2, which is the intermediate features, because that is what is going to give you access to posting videos of over 15 minutes, customized thumbnails, and even live streaming. Click on the place that says eligible. Come to this place that says verify phone number. Click on verify phone number. Allow the page to load properly. Once the page loads, you're going to see this phone verification step 1 of 2. To use this feature, verify your phone number. Then you're going to see how should we deliver the verification code to you. So they either text you the verification code or they call you with an automated voice message. Preferably you use the text, the verification code. That once you put in that phone number, they will send a verification code to that same phone number that you imputed. Okay, and then you select your country. If you haven't chosen any country yet, click on that menu and you're going to see a list of other countries. Okay, and choose the country that you're currently residing in. Then what is your phone number? You put in the phone number. So I'll be using this. After which you click on next. Then they're going to send a 6-digit code to that phone number you imputed, and the code is actually right, so I have to put in the code. Copy it, come here and paste the code. Okay, once you paste the code, click on submit. Boom, you see your phone number has been verified. Now you can close the window and go back to YouTube, and if you come back, that page has been reloaded. And if you notice, we now have access to the intermediate features. Before it was showing not eligible, right now it is enabled. So right now you currently have access to customized thumbnails, live streaming, and posting videos that are longer than 15 minutes. And once you're done with this, just click on close and you're done with that. Okay,